We are different astrologers with different belief systems, different philosophies, different approaches, and it's going to be really amazing to compare and share and observe all the different ways of looking at what is going on.
How many people right now are probably feeling kind of frustrated, right? They're trying to understand what it means to be themselves, how to tap into their power, trying to tap into their own agency. Well, how do we embrace that? How do we fully own that? And what is that going to look like? How is it that we can take action with consciousness?
Just re-envisioning what is it like to do sexuality, relationship, family. And none of these things are about what's right or what's wrong. But it's about taking us a little bit away from the assumptions that are actually rooted in a false need to stay in fear because of the perception that if I don't hold on to what I know, I won't be safe.
We want to understand why we meet certain people and why is it so difficult? Why can't I untangle this one? And through the study of synastry, not only do you get a chance to get to know yourselves and your blind spots, because you're not aware of everything. That's, then you would be full on enlightened. But you become aware of your blind spots. And that's such a difficult thing for humanity as a whole. I think we're used to blaming the other. We're used to pointing fingers. It's kind of our defense mechanisms again. And there you see how it sort of ties into the Chiron in Aries talk, where I'm looking at these defense mechanisms to see whether or not they're beneficial to us.